Biting me on the leg. I'm just gotta take this tape off because the tape won't disintegrate. Want to record this? Sweating down this in here.
So we're starting to fill the beds up. Right now we have the cardboard laid down and she's wetting them to kind of help the process. We're going to probably poke some holes in it so the worms can come up. And then as soon as she's done with this, we're going to take the rest of these chicken scraps, or kitchen scraps. I don't know why I said chicken. I want chickens, guys. Anyway, we're going to take the rest of the kitchen scraps and put into this one just like we did this one here.
Let me get the hammer. Knock some holes in it.
So LJ is our soil guy. He's bringing a wheelbarrow full of soil. And we're going to fill these up.
And it, let me try that thing.
Wait, just, oh well, we need some over here on this one.
So what?
The soil.
Oh yeah, soil over there.
Yeah.
Ew. Ew.
Okay, so. Thank you, sir. I'll start with that one. You can move that over out of the way for a minute. Here. What's that? Three.
Actually, this will tear off. I don't even think you have to even cut it.
Each of these is 1 cubic foot. So that'll be 4 in that one. There you go, LJ. Just come right up to here. Thank you.
Leave it there, yeah.
There, just a minute. This one sticks?
Yep.
Come and join us, honey.
No
What?
bees, no bees, no bees.
No bees. Nope.
Just flies.
No bees.
2 flies.
LJ, come here. That's finished. Icis, honey, if you want to, you can gather them bags together and put it in one bag. The ones that we've already done here.
Roll it up and put that inside.
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you how to do it. So take this bag. Hold that bag, and I'll do this. That. And that. Okay, you set it right there. We're going to have to open that and get that other rake.
I think I'll open it.
I think it's locked, honey. Hand it here, muscle man. Thank you, sir. Okay, Isis, I think we got...
Can I help you put it through?
You want to?
Uh-huh.
Oh, come here.
Put my hands up for you.
You're going to pull this open like that. Okay?
So,
Just like this. Grab it like this. No, right here. Like you mean business. You're going to open up a big potato chip bag. There you go. Now, it's a little heavy, but you're going to have to be a muscle woman. Dump it in there. Spread it out. There you go. All right.
Grab the ends.
Grab the tips of it, just like that.
There you go.
Awesome. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now take this one and put it back over in that bag you have for the trash, okay?
Okay.
How many did that make?
So 6, 7.
It's 8.
That's 8.
I know what I'm going to do. Go get the rake.
Can I help you put it up?
You can? Yes, ma'am.
So the soil or dirt, whatever you want to call it, is really hot. And,
It is warm, isn't it? It's where it's been out there in the bags. Moist, too.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got 8. We need another one.
Yeah. Can you roll it?
You want this one?
Could you roll my sleeve up?
Oh, shoot, these are sleeve rolled up, okay?
Here you go.
Hey,
Ooh, right.
there you
Give me.
go. Let Icis do that.
Hold up. Let her get that in there.
Don't want the sun in my face. Push it over the
And how many did we say for this one? Do you remember?
13?
Was I think so.
13.
This is 10.
I broke all of me.
13 and the other one's 19, I believe.
We're on the road are we planting
Thank you.
too. We're on the road are we planting that needs this thick of soil.
Then
Well,
let me tell you something.
We put food scraps on the bottom of it
Let's do it this way.
to be able to feed
Backwards like this.
the plant.
Look, you can push it
Oh.
and hold it down lower, you see?
That makes so much more sense.
Yeah, hold it down low. I gotta hold it low.
I know, but Mom's pulled
And
up.
this
hold
is
it low.
11. Spread it out even.
I'm trying.
It's going to fall down some when the food underneath of it.
Yeah.
I'm not done.
Disintegrates.
Hold up. The soil is heavy.
Is that heavy?
Yeah.
Alright, 12. I'll put one more up here.
Okay. Why'd you put the cigarette in it?
What?
It shouldn't be.
It should not be.
I'm saying that because the.
Nobody here smokes cigarettes.
For sure. I don't make it to it.
When
All
you
right.
make it level. Put some up
13.
in that corner over there. Ice.
Yep. You might have to get down with your hand.
Yeah.
You
take
need
this,
help?
Take this, take
Okay.
this.
No.
Okay, get down with your hand. There you go.
Oop.
Dirty's healthy.
Mm-hmm.
That's all where Becky goes up in that corner now. It's not even up in there. That's what I've been trying to tell you.
No, we'll get it.
Oh well.
We'll get it, Nana.
Get it up in there
Push it
then.
over there. No, I keep pushing it off.
There we go.
Oh God, my hands look up my feet now.
That's okay.
That's all right.
Your
That's
feet.
good for you, ma'am.
Ooh, the edge.
All right.
Huh?
Did the holes get put in that? It did, right?
It did.
All right.
I just don't. There's not enough up here though.
I want to water it down some more. Okay. All right. And here we go with some scraps.
Do you have any paper towels over here?
Yes, ma'am. Here's some.
Reminds me of slop on the farm.
Hog slop.
Hog slop, yeah. The smell definitely does, that's for sure.
Put it in here while we're away.
Stinky. try to smash those
That smells like,
rotten fruits. Smells like pig slop.
it smells like rotten pizza.
Rotten pizza.
You.
Yuck.
You want to return that to the back porch
Man,
where it goes real quick and come back?
Anything to get away from that smell.
wow. That don't even want to squish. Look at that.
So we got on the back where it was at. So
What was that?
in front of the other refrigerator.
Just set it right there, Ice.
Right there
Leave
is
it there
fine.
for right now. All right.
Ready? Okay, so we got 3 on that side.
You got Sam?
Icy, you want to
You got
dump?
this?
Yep.
Come over here. See if you can lift that up.
You got to lift it up correctly now.
It's up.
Lift it up. Look here. See the little holes in here like this? Look. See that? Once you get it up, you can do it like this. Watch me. No, like this. Grab hold of it, pull it, and you pull it right off. You're going it wrong. Show her there.
Okay.
Helps it.
Don't hit this.
Okay, that's good. That'd be fine.
Oh, okay. All right.
Put it on your
2.
side
There you
dude.
go.
I'm trying.
That's 2. Get it
I
all
guess I
out.
have
There
to
you
do
go.
this. You can do it on your side, it'd be easy.
3. Lay it down there.
I'll stop it. Come over here, squirrel.
Nana's got 4. And you've got 5.
My back hurts.
Think about Nana, how she used to work on the farm. There's 6.
Well, this is easy compared to what I had.
Yeah, I know, right? Can we take over a minute?
Yeah.
Okay.
There were 8. Still over 8.
This one's quite a bit bigger, ain't it?
Make sure you get it all everywhere, in the corners and all.
You know what I'm
This will be 11.
Just a second, yes ma'am.
Oh. Can I spread it out?
You can. You gotta push it though. Pull it and push it. Make it even. Here you go.
Mama, look.
Yeah, this is
12.
wet.
Mama, look. Like this.
Oh, there's coming with another one. Yeah, I'll push a little bit more in that corner.
Look, I'm kind of sweet.
That one's 14.
Yoink. Well, they're going to yoink.
Put about 4 in it.
Four on there, LJ.
Put 4 on there right now.
We'll see what we need.
That'll be 19. Need the soul in the bed, silly.
I'm trying.
You trying to run me over? Huh?
That's good, right
that
there.
good?
There you go, yay.
Yep.
Thank you, LJ. That was marvelous. I think we're going to have more.
How you do it?
There was some reason we was figuring up 23.
Yeah, I don't
Okay.
know, but we'll have it, huh? These come out. This is nice reading school. Excuse me, ma'am.
Back up out your mama's way.
Ma'am. That's good.
There could be all kinds of doo-doo.
It probably is doo-doo in there. Worm doo-doo. That's what we want.
We want worms.
We want worm doo-doo.
Yeah, we'll need more.
Let's go, Ray.
We need about 4 more.
Yep, LJ. We're going to need about 4 more. The same way you just did that one.
Please.
Can I help with you? Can I help you? Yeah. Mama here. I want to help.
So that'll be 23 in this one.
Come on.
4 more, Will?
Yep.
I think that's what we figured. Here we go.
Now that chicken scrap. Again, chicken. I'm going to get me some chicken.
Not until about June.
Kitchen scraps is making them come.
Not until about June.
Put stuff in.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate that. What are you doing, ma'am? You ready?
Yep.
Now wait a minute. You already right.
You want to do it?
Back up when you get the front first, Icis.
What do you want to do?
Back up so she can get.
I want to put my feet on
Put
it.
it.
Don't you want to
Mom,
Yes, ma'am.
I
Put it right in the
put
middle.
his feet under there.
And you can rake it up against that.
We can do that here in a minute.
Shoot fire puppy.
Fire puppy. How does this one go?
And just right in up and down through here. Right here, maybe. Here, let me have it.
Keep going all right.
What's wrong with you? You plant me. It's hard to tell what'll grow.
Probably avocados and cherries and bananas.
Yep. I love avocados and bananas.
And probably some lemon.
Lemon?
Yeah.
I think more along the lines of some lime.
No, I'd
Lime
be
and
the
lemon.
lime tree.
That's it, ain't it?
Not dry.
Okay, guys. It's took a minute,
We did it!
but we did
We
it.
did it. We got the beds filled finally.
Hello, camera.
Yay. So
Hello,
this
camera.
one was 23 cubic feet. And what was this again? 13?
cubic feet.
And this was 13 cubic feet.
Yeah.
So they're done. The next step is to start planting. Yay! Does the dirt feel good on your feet? Everybody say bye.